You search for how to buy shares of Garmin Ltd. Garmin is a technology firm known for GPS devices, wearables, and navigation systems, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GRMN. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker GRMN to find Garmin Ltd. Then select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the matching company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the ticker reads GRMN and the exchange is NASDAQ before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued and executed when the market opens. If your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase is completed. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration.